I lied to myself for years. I told everyone I was focused, but behind closed doors in the middle of the night, I was a slave. I would surrender to 5 minutes of fake pleasure, then drown in shame and brain fog for days. I tried to stop 100 times and I failed 100 times. But I realized something that changed everything. I wasn't fighting myself. I was fighting a biological system addicted to cheap dopamine. So I stopped trying and started rewiring. Here is the exact 3-phase protocol I used. Phase 1 and 2 are crucial, but phase 3 is the secret weapon that actually made the change permanent. So make sure you stick around for that. Phase 1, the siege. I knew my willpower was weak, so I removed the choice entirely. I deleted every trigger app from my phone. TikTok, Instagram, gone. Then I made a law. No devices in the bedroom. The first few days were terrifying. I felt empty, but then the silence returned. My brain finally stopped screaming for noise. Phase 2, the pain exchange. This was the hardest part. The urges came back like a tsunami, but this time I made a deal with my brain. You want dopamine? Fine, but you have to pay for it with pain. Every time I felt an urge, I jumped into a freezing cold shower or did push-ups until my muscles failed. I forced my brain to understand that pleasure now costs effort. I turned that restless energy into pure power. Phase 3, mental gardening, the game changer. This is where everything shifted. By day 20, I realized that just stopping wasn't enough. I had to replace. The urges were no longer commands, they were just suggestions I could ignore. I stopped using lust to escape my boredom. Instead, I filled the void with real work and real goals. When your reality becomes exciting, you don't need to escape into a screen. Today, I'm not a saint, but I am no longer a slave. I regained my self-respect. I can look in the mirror without shame. This freedom is worth every moment of struggle. If you are tired of breaking promises to yourself, start this protocol now, not tomorrow. Now, comment "I am in control" below if you are ready to take your life back. I'll see you at the top.